Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the security. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some SIM card lock and the only option is to enter the SIM card lock settings actually. And here we have to choose the card for which we would like to change the SIM because we've got two different SIM slots. And all you have to do is simply tap on the change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK. And here we have to enter new one. So let's enter it. Tap on OK and re-enter to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that if you will restart your device right now, then it will require the new SIM pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.